Alright, Mr. Fix It here, back again in popular demand. Alright, what I'm doing here now, just got a call from one of my clients. They said, Alex, uh, my bowl it's overflowing. It's not, the water is not stop running inside, all of that. So I came to check on it and see what's going on. So what I figure out here, the chlorine that's in the water, it build up on the valve right here. Now let me get some light on. There we go. Good. Much better. Alright? So this floating valve right here, this is what stops the water. You see that? Whenever it goes down, it takes in water. Whenever it comes up and stop at the point that it's supposed to stop, the water stops right there. So as you can see, there's a lot of white. Let me take a piece of that I break off the, so there it is. This is a piece of it. So this is chlorine build up on the surface, on the outside and on the inside, stuck in it. So no water coming in, and sometimes it stucks it and let the water continuously running, overflowing in this overflowing hole right here. So the water was continuously running. I clean it up and now it stops. Alright, so I'm gonna flush it. Maybe feel around it and see if any more chlorine build up there. There's a little piece around the side right there. Let me get it off. Alright, so this was very simple and easy. Just to get it cleaned off and it's ready again for usage. Alright, so you don't have to turn the handle stop off. Handle stop is right there. That's what takes the water inside. So he had to turn that off for the water to stop flowing over, because he don't want the water bill to run up. So it's all right now. I turn it back on. It's on. So let me flush it and see what's happening next. Alright, it's been flushed. Afterwards, I'm gonna clean up inside of the tank. As you can see around it, chlorine build up. See, it makes a little reveal right around the tank. There's chlorine right there, right around the tank. So I'm gonna clean that off, clean out inside. Yeah, see, there's a lot of muck, as you can see that. You see how dirty it is. Look at that. Look at that. Look. That's all chlorine and mud coming through the pipes. So that's why it's best if you have a filter on your line coming in to the house. You have a main filter. So this doesn't occurs like how it looks right now. The water would be pretty and clean if it has a filter out front. So I'm gonna have to recommend that for them, and if they're interested, you're gonna see me installing that. I'm gonna do a video on that also. So I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up and everything. It's refilling now. So we are gonna watch it and listen, you're gonna hear it stop. So you can hear it filling right now. There it is. You see how that little part just flipped up? You see a space in between here? Yes. So that's what happened earlier when it wasn't working. The chlorine stuck everything, and you can still see a little piece of it right there. I'm gonna clean up all of that. Don't worry, so I'm gonna get it all cleaned up and make sure it's running properly. Although it's still running properly, but gonna clean it up, get it cleaned up some more, right? So it can do it time again. Oh, look at that again. You see a lot of chlorine build up in this pure chlorine. See, chlorine. Oh, it's not nice, not nice at all. You don't want to drink this water that's coming from the pipe. Make sure it's filtered. Alright. Hold on. Let me go in my backpack a bit. I don't bring a lot of my tools today. I have a little knife and I have a flat mount screwdriver here. Scrape it off. This is an easy one. You can do it yourself at home if you don't feel to call a plumber. You can just do it yourself. Alright? Make sure you're in your protective gears, you're in your gloves, you're in your glasses, your goggles, because something piece of this chlorine could just flick up and fly in your eyes. clean up as best as possible. Make sure it doesn't sticks again for a while. Alright. Good. Alright, I got most of it out. Looks better now. Let me show you. There we go. So you see the difference. The better water is now clean. You can see all the way. You can see those screws shining pretty all the way at the bottom. Alright. So it's good. It's taking its time refilling. The water is a bit slow right now, so pressure is low. So it's taking its time and refilling. Alright, so that's it. That is it. So it's another one from Mr. Fix It Again. Okay. Thank you for watching. Remember to share my videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel. And give me some likes, please. And hit me up with some comments, anything, any question you want to ask, you can ask. Right? Anything you want to tell me that I haven't done properly, you still can tell me. Right? Nobody's perfect. Alright, thank you again. See you. Bye.